Trade shows are war zones for your tech. One dead battery, one black screen, one Wi-Fi dropout, and your pitch is done. Here are the insider hacks no one else shares, and the rentals that make them bulletproof. Move-in starts at 6 a.m., but only a few freight elevators run big crates after 8. Miss your window? You're waiting till 4 p.m. We coordinate with the official drayage team, so your gear's on the floor before the coffee line forms. Day 1, badge kiosks run dry, lines drag 40 minutes. Skip the wait. Rent a wireless printer, connects to your phone or tablet, prints VIP passes, wristbands, or swag tags instantly, right from your booth. By 3:30 p.m., 9 out of 10 laptops are dying on the floor. Our multi-port charging stations power 10+ devices at once, fast. Rent one per team and stay fully charged all day. No more hunting for outlets. Picture this. Your 4K demo starts, and the screen goes black. It's not the cable. It's an HDMI handshake failure. That's why we pre-test every connection and include EDID adapters in your AV package. Problem solved before it starts. Venue pillars aren't just ugly. They murder 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If your booth's near one, your hotspot dies. Rent 5 gigahertz enterprise routers, mount them high. Your demo streams, there's buffers. Don't gamble with your trade show tech. Rent what works, backed by battle-tested solutions that win.